Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Monday, March 25th. Looking at the current water vapor imagery, you can see that we had a little bit of moisture that's now over Montana. This was over us yesterday. It has moved northeast in Montana and Wyoming, and just expect just a little bit of precip across our northeast corner in the next hour or so. But high pressure is going to dominate our area. You see this ridging here through today, and then as you can see, we have a big upper level low off the coast, and several waves of moisture are going to come across off this low into our area starting Tuesday afternoon and then continue through Friday. I'll kind of show you the different timings of those here in a minute. And then as you look at the radar, you can see the light returns are just kind of dissipating right now, about 6:30 in the morning. As you look at the GFS model, it does show by 6 to 9 a.m. in the morning that all the precip's gone and high pressure ridging moves in, and you turn to a southwest flow, and then you have moisture move into that flow by Tuesday afternoon, affecting the central mountains. Maybe expect 1 to 2 inches there, and then use just light rain and snow until Wednesday afternoon, till the stronger band of moisture moves across our area. We're looking for about 3 to 6 inches. I'll show you those totals in a minute. 3 to 6, maybe 4 to 8 for the central mountains, and about 1 to 2 for mountains elsewhere, but I'll show you those again in a minute. Here's a surface map for today. High pressure dominates the area. Mostly clear skies today, with the exception of some clouds over the Island Park area that will leave by mid to late morning. And then as you look at our maximum temperatures today, slightly above normal across the area. And then as you look into Tuesday, particularly in the afternoon, you have this boundary move in, and it's again mainly going to impact the central mountains with 1 to 2 inches of snow, maybe an inch over Island Park. And those snow levels will be quite high, about 6,500 to 7,000 feet. And then as you look at your max temperatures for Tuesday, you can see they do rise in that southwest flow to 4 to 8 degrees above normal. And then as you go to the surface map on Wednesday, the boundaries mostly move through. Again, this is really, most of the precipits is going to occur late afternoon into the early evening to midnight into Thursday morning. And I'll show you those snow amounts here in a second. And the snow levels will drop to around 6,000 to 6,500 feet as that goes through. Here's those max temperatures on Wednesday. Again, early in the afternoon, that southwest flow, they're quite high. That they do cool down quite quickly as that boundary goes through late afternoon, early evening on Wednesday. And then here's your snow totals. In general, 4 to 6, but there are some areas that have 6 to 8 across the central mountains. And then the other areas in general just have 1 to 2 inches, mainly across the eastern highlands. Again, those snow levels will be around, it'll start around 7,000 feet in the early afternoon, and then it'll drop to around 6,000 feet by midnight. And then here's your long term. There's that exiting system that I mentioned Wednesday into Thursday morning. And then you can see that you have another wave of moisture come by Friday morning, fairly weak. And then by Friday afternoon, you have some residual moisture as well moving across the area. And it looks like we're going to have high pressure ridging Saturday and Sunday at this point. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.